In today's video, we'll discuss the reasons why your Toyota AC light is flashing and how to fix it. The flashing light on the Toyota AC indicates a problem that needs your attention. Here are the possible reasons for this issue. A faulty compressor clutch is a common cause. If the clutch compressor fails to compress the refrigerant, the air conditioner won't cool properly. Additionally, if the clutch compressor can't engage and disengage the AC compressor, the AC can lose lubrication and get damaged, causing the light to blink. Faulty wiring is another reason. Damaged or loose wires might not transfer the required power to the AC, leading to a blinking light indicating a problem. A faulty compressor sensor can also trigger the blinking light. Accumulation of debris, dirt, or faulty wiring in the sensor can cause it to malfunction, alerting you to an issue. Here's how to fix these problems. Start by checking the compressor clutch. Access the compressor clutch and examine it for wear and visible physical damage. If it's worn or damaged, replace the compressor with a new one. Next, check the wiring. Access all the wiring connections in the ACA and inspect for loose or damaged wires. If the wires are loose, secure them properly. If the cables are damaged, replace them with new ones. Finally, check the compressor speed sensor. Access the sensor and inspect it for physical damage or faulty wiring. If the wiring is faulty, repair or replace it. If the sensor itself is damaged, replace it with a new one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.